wanted to make this video to show you guys how to assemble our Google Cardboard virtual reality headsets. We quite often send these out to our couples who are too far away to come into our office before they book us so they can see how it works. And some of our couples give these to their guests as wedding favours as well. So when your headset arrives, it's going to look like this. The first thing you're going to do is remove the elastic band, but please keep that, you'll need it. Remove this leaflet, just pop that to one side. Now we're going to swing this open, let this flap down, swing this open, and then the lens plate we're going to push in, and it's got two notches that it sits in. Now we've got some structure to our headset. When we turn it around, we can pull this plate out and again fit it into the notch here. And on this plate there are two wings, and you want to push those in. And again, there's grooves for that to sit in. So now we have our virtual reality headset almost assembled. We're going to take our elastic band and we're going to put it around this flap at the back here. Now what that's going to do is when you're using your mobile phone in here, it can help to keep your mobile device secure. Remember that when you are watching virtual reality films, you want to go to the YouTube app. You want to make sure that you have your footage playing in full screen. Then you want to tap on here till you can see this cardboard icon, the goggles icon. We're going to tap on that and it's going to split our screen into two. Now that split is going to go right in the middle of our divider here. Place your mobile device in, close the headset, and you're ready to have your virtual reality experience. Don't forget that when you are looking at virtual reality films, you can look all around you. And also, don't forget that you can't walk into the virtual reality film, so don't try to walk when you have the headset on, because obviously you can't see where you're going and you can't walk into the film anyway. I hope that was helpful, and if you are struggling to put your headset together and you want to have a video call with us so that we can help you, talk you through that, that's fine. Just send us an email at info@virtualweddings.love. Post comments in the box below if you have any feedback for us or anything else that you want us to go through, and we'll get back to you as quickly as we can. I hope that was helpful. Have a great day.